Hello everyone, this is BA Part 3rd, representative Western political thinkers, and for today's video our topic is Jean-Jacques Rousseau and the supporter of social contract theory. And this theory we have studied in we can see this theory in according to Hobbes and Locke, and then there comes Rousseau. And first one is the most important thing is that he was a supporter of equality, and for some, according to some thinkers, that Rousseau was one of the greatest supporter of equality. And second one is, when we talk about the Rousseau's social contract theory, then here comes the human nature. And we can say that the nature of a person in this state of nature was quite like noble savage and Rousseau has considered the nature of a person that was operated by the feelings, and not we cannot say that at that time people were so much Rousseau has considered them behaving like an animal, and in the same manner as the works or deeds or functions of the animal cannot be treated as good or bad. We cannot say because they do the works by their we can say nature, or according to their instinctive tendency. And therefore noble savage words have been used. And for Rousseau, that in this state of nature a person was behaving like a noble savage, and which works or whose functions and works cannot be treated as right or wrong, or moral or immoral. He was doing all these works by his feelings. And like the human nature, there was this state of nature, there was peace, equality, and cooperation. And uh, then the origin of the private property for Rousseau, this was the main reason behind which destroyed the whole peace and serenity and cooperation of the state of nature. And the greatest reason behind this was the population, and people started thinking of themselves and for the generations to come, and therefore they started occupying the land. And the rich section of the society acquired the most, and the poor were left behind. And therefore there was atrocities and exploitation of the poor, and the poor people or poor section of this society started agitation, and started opposing the rule of the rich. And thus the private property divided the society, and the whole crime and police and justice, jail, etc. Are the can be considered as outcomes of this whole scenario. And therefore Rousseau says that if we are to get back our peace, cooperation, and whatever merits can be seen, then we will have to and there is famous slogan of Rousseau, that is back to nature, that we will have to go back to the nature. And the development or the progress of a mankind has destroyed actually his peace and mental peace and etc. And in this regard, here comes the his theory of general will. And when he talk about the general will, then he considers two types of wills of a person, that is actual will and real will. And for the general will is will of the persons of the society, which is based on the welfare of the public, or the in the interests of the public, or uh, all the merits of the person. This theory is based on the all the merits of a person. And then general will is based on the welfare of the public, and it is impartial, it is rational, and it cannot be considered as a majority, as will of the majority. Because if will of a person is based on the welfare of the whole society, or whole the sections of the society, then it will also be considered as general will. So that's all for today from my side. Thank you very much.